Here I will show you. You go into the into the machine here, and then it's actually blocked. You see here, start knife change. If I push here, it shows you change to machine operator level. So the operator level means you have to go in here, and then we have to insert the password for the operator. 1, 2, 3, 4, enter. Like this, the customer can not everyone can change the knives. Just the ones that really have some instruction and they do it in a safe way. Start knife change. Alright. Now here on that page I can select which knife I want to change. If you select all of them and you want to change all of them, you have to select the 3 knives. On the back you see as well how many cuts we did already with that knife. So I select the knives I want to change, and then I hit enter. Now it tells me what to do. I have to start the machine. Machine's being running empty and knives are moving into position. You see already the knives here, the front knives, side knives, the two, were coming in an out position. Now I take off the protection. Weißt, ich mache da die ganzen Türen auf dann auch. Alright, I take off the protection here. Front door. Then I have to unscrew the door. The machine comes here a key, the tool, and some extension and a 19mm tensioner insert. Alright, all the 4 screws here are the same. Okay, now I can move here by the 2 handles here the whole door a little bit out. It's written intermediate position, that's somewhere in between. It's actually safe now. I can't open it at all because here I still have the outfit belt area on that position, so no chance to open it at all. That's for safety reason, because you see now the knives are sticking out, quite dangerous. So here, or in general with knives, we explain also the customers, so that the people they do that work, to use safety gloves. I always put on protection first here on the front knife, because you see it's quite dangerous here, the edge. So you put it on here. On the top left angle here, you see we have a photocell who is looking or controlling if I put on the protection. We have that for each knife, on the side knives, on the head knife and on the foot knife. That photocell is on the bottom. It's difficult to show you with the camera, but it is important, and I just can go to the next step. When all the knives I want to change have on the protection, and the photocell sees that. So usually I put the protection and I push it quite to the down position, so the photocell can see that. The moment on the screen it's still not available to pass to the next step. And you see here it's a little bit difficult to get in with that protection, but it's working. If all that 3 photocells here, protection. It's getting green and I can go to the next step. I confirm that we have done that. And now tells me next step, move run out belt aside. The knives can be changed now. That means this belt here, I can move to that side here now. There are some rollers. I can move it and now this area is getting free. So now I'm ready to move that door here. For that I have to change to a 8mm insert Allen key. Then I have 5 screws I have to untighten and to take off. There is one here with a clear washer, thick one, a special screw head. It's also different from length. That's the one who is coming in here from the side. Then I have got 2 shorter ones with a standard washer. That's the one here, the short one. The one here close to the knife, or the 2 of them, one here. It's a little bit longer and has a special washer here. Has actually a plain flat edge here. That's the one edge who comes here like this to the knife. Okay. Now to take out the knife is hanging inside without the screws. Gloves. And then you can move that here, you see, to the side. And there is one position in the middle where I can take it out. You see there are some 2 pins and inside the basement of the knife. Okay. All the cutting unit, that's 1 unit here. It's actually the same than that unit and that unit.